So how to change a login email on Facebook and then set a new primary email. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can set a new login email on your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to set a new login email to your Facebook account, now the things have been a little bit confusing because of all the account center and so on the Facebook app. And to change this, what you need to do is just tap the three lines icon from the top right and then just go to the settings page here. Then tap the account center option from the very top. Then go to personal details, and then here you'll find contact info. Just tap on the contact info tab. Once you tap on this tab over here that says contact info, maybe you want to go ahead and then basically add a new email. Currently you can see I've already added an email for my Facebook account as well as my Instagram account. Now if I want to change the new email, what I need to do is I just need to tap on add new contact. I need to tap on add email address, enter the new email address that I want to use, and then I have to choose my Facebook account here, tap the next option. Once I've done that, you can log in using both email address, but if you only want to log in using the new email address, you can delete the old email address by tapping here, tapping your Facebook account, tapping the option called delete from Facebook, and then you can log in using the new email address in this case. So this way you can change your primary email on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.